Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound yen, to me, it definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3. I think we are likely at a wave 4 right now, which will probably make some sort of a three-way pattern down before it goes up and makes a wave 5. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think it's very clearly that it's very clear that this first move down is a wave A. I think we're at a wave B right now, which I still don't see that the wave B is over. A wave B can even take out the high of wave 3, so don't think that the wave B is over until you get proof that it's over. Eventually, it is probably going to go down for a wave C, which would look something like this. But we have to keep in mind this is the weekly time frame, so this most likely will take many months to play out. Going down to the daily time frame is where I think this is clearly an A. I think this is an A of B. I think this is a B of B, and I think this is a C of B. We're right in between two Fibonacci levels right now, so even if it does go down, I think there's a very, very good chance it's just going to be another correction to the uptrend. The 138, 123 are the levels that I've been talking about for a potential end of a wave B, but until we actually get proof that the wave B is over, with a break of structure to the downside on the correctly tuned time frame, I definitely would still be looking for longs in an uptrend. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, my most recent structure is right here. This is the structure that will tell me that this uptrend is over. And if the uptrend is over, then it probably would be the end of a wave B. So we do have a gap over the weekend on this pair, so it probably is going to eventually go down and fill that gap. But I still think that I'm going to continue to look for longs unless we get a break of structure to the downside. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement out here, and this is actually my Fibonacci setup for flat patterns. It's got all the negative fib levels and the extra positive fib levels. So I'm watching this very closely. It does look to me very likely that it is a wave A and that it's very likely a wave B. And with the fact that we got this gap down here, it probably is going to try to go down and fill this gap. So I'm thinking there's a good chance that it will go down maybe to one of these lower Fibonacci levels to make a wave C before it actually ends up continuing the uptrend. Like I said, I personally am going to be waiting for long opportunities. I'm not going to go short because even though I think this is likely to happen, it could just as easy just keep trending up. So unless it goes down and breaks this structure, which even if it does break structure, I would still wait for a pullback before I went short. So unless it goes down and breaks this structure, I'm still only looking for longs, and I'm only looking to go long at the end of ABC pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.